Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are well. Alhamdulillah. So in the previous class we are discussing about lesson number 10, grammar bits. No. Today we are going to discuss few more bits, children. So grammar, the article. We know articles a and an. Yes. Where we use a and where we use an. A, E, I, O, U. For this we use an. For remaining all we use a. And where we use the for some specific, for some special things we use the. Understood? The colors do not work. The white owl passes by. The sun shines brightly. The is an article. The in this sentence talks about a special thing. The colors are not any colors. They are two colors. So colors are nothing. Why colors are special? Because it is belong to two. It is two colors. So that is a special colors. That colors are called special colors. So for some specific, for some special things, we use the. The. Okay. Be careful when you pronounce the placed before naming words, nouns that begins with A-E-I-O-U sounds. The is pronounced with the same beginning sound as they, these. So, understood? For some special things, for some special things we use, for some specific we use the. Okay? So, let us practice. See here, dash teacher scolded the student. So what you can use there? The teacher scolded the student. There is dash lion in the cage. There is a lion in the cage. Open dash tap and fill the bucket. Open the tap and fill the bucket. Look at the stars. Look at the stars. Okay, for some special things we use the. Understood? Next bit you have to do, children. This is the bit you have to do. Fill in the blanks with pronouns you, are, I. What you have to do? Just keep here you. You cannot color. I cannot color this picture. Like this you match it and write down. Wherever suitable you, write down you. Wherever suitable I, write down I. Just read the total sentence and write down this bit, complete this bit. Okay? You cannot color this picture. I cannot color this picture. The colors do not work. What you can write there? I cannot color this picture. The colors do not work. Understood? Like this. Match it. Just read the total sentence. Keep you as well as I in the same blank and check and which is the correct option, keep there. Okay, this is the bit you have to do. Next bit. Already you know about is, am, or. I discussed with you so many times. For I we use am, I, am. For one thing, for one boy, for one girl and for one thing. He, she, it we use is. You, we, they. You, we, they. We use A-R-E-R. For capital I only we use am. He, she, it means one boy, one girl, one thing we use is. More boys, more girls and more things is you, we, they. We use A-R-E-R. Understood? So, just see here, only by seeing the first word of the sentence you can write the lion. Only one lion. Only one lion. So what you can use here, write down the animals. So many animals. Just means so many. So animals, what we have to use here, write down. For I, what we have to use, write down. Understood? This bit is also your homework. What you have to do? The boys. Boys means so many. For so many, what we have to use? The boys are in the field. The boys are my friends. You can use like this. Okay? Next, I am a swimmer. The farmer is in the field. Understood? Like this. Okay, children, understood is am or? Next bit. Next bit is also your homework. Match the words with their meaning. Same meaning. Means sad meaning. What is the meaning of sad? Unhappy. Yes. What is the meaning of big? Huge. What is the meaning of notice? See. What is the meaning of few? Not many. Understood? Like this, match it. Now circle the odd one each set. Means this is the one set. This is one set. This is one set. Which is the odd one? Which is different from three of that you have to circle it. Means glass, pencil, bucket, bottle. These glass, bucket, bottle. These are matching, no? But pencil is odd one, different one. So circle this. Understood? Now grass, tree, house, flower. Grass, tree, flower. House is different. Odd, like this. Okay? Understood, children? So remaining bits I will explain you in the next class, children. Okay? Till now, Jazakallah khair. Look at the picture and write down and complete the story using the hints given below. So whatever I gave you, write down in your class workbook, or else you can write in your textbook also if places there. Okay? So this is just write down in here. Tutu is very happy to see dewdrops on the grass. Yes, see here, see the picture and write down, children. Okay, next bit, this project, this is the project, what you have to do, just this is the project 2, I will give you the marks in the FA3. So, fun-filled activity, paper plate, butterfly. Just read these instructions and follow these instructions and make the butterfly and show me. Okay, send me the homework. Okay, this is the bit I will give you as homework. So how the butterfly, how it is cutting, see here this, in this way you have to cut it and you have to fold it and you have to draw this, make a butterfly like this. Okay, read the instructions and follow it. Next, last bit, colors. Yes, what colors you know, children? You know red, yellow, green, blue, pink, white, brown, indigo, purple, brinjal. These all colors you know, no? Grey. Yes. So, do you like which color, children? Okay, your homework, I will give you a homework as which color do you like and which color dress you want to wear in party, daily wear, in school, which color you want to wear, you write down, okay? So, now, let us start. People A, red is a carrot and tomato I. And the tomato I eat, red are these bright new socks I wear upon my feet. See, this is the boy, he is singing a song. People A, what he is saying, red is a carrot. Carrot is red in color. Whereas tomato I eat, tomato is also a red color. So both of them are red in color. Red are these bright new socks I wear upon my feet. What the color of socks he want to wear? Red color. Yes. So this boy want to wear red color socks, yellow. For people B, next person is saying, yellow is the sun under which we have fun. Yellow is the lemon. Do you have one? So people 1 is 2 is saying that yellow is sun. What is the color of sun? Yellow. Yes. Under which we have fun. While the sun comes, what you will do? You will play. You will do fun. No. So what will be the color of lemon? It will be yellow color. So do you have anyone at your home? He is asking. So another people see saying, green is the grass shining in the sun. Green are many trees. Can you name some? So green, the things who has green? Grass, grass will be having green, trees will have green, some fruits also have in green color. So shine, how they will shine, how the grass will shine in the sun, shines, no? So all the trees will be green, no? Can you name some? He is asking. Next, people do is saying, blue is the sea and my little brother's eyes, blue is the sky where is the lovely birds fly. So blue, he is talking about blue. How will be the sky? Sky will be blue color. So his people D is there, no? His boy's eyes color, his brother eyes color is also blue inside, blue. So where the birds will fly? It will fly in the blue sky. Yes. Now everyone is saying these are some colors, we know them by heart. We may be small children, but we are very smart. Yes, these all the four members are there, no? People A, people B, people C and people D. They are saying that we know these few colors. We are small children, but we are smart. Yes, you are smart children. Okay. Your homework is to write for every color, name for 10 colors, you have to name few things. Means red color means apple, like this. If green color is there, trees, watermelon, like this you have to write. Okay. This is the homework I will give you. Till now, Jazakallahu khair, children.